Welcome to the Gardens at Gerald, which is a 999 years private landed community built on 2007 by Oaktree Land Private Limited. Residing within District 28, Gerald Drive vicinity, Eastern North Singapore, this property houses 25 resort experience landed residences.
Hi everybody,
I am Sharon Kim.
and I'm Catherine Lee from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai Private Limited. Today, we would like to share with you this nice end terrace at District 28,
The Gardens at Gerald. When you enter the house, it comes with a good-sized guest room that comes with the bathroom as well. On the first level, you will be greeted with a spacious living and dining area that has double volume ceiling height. And next to it comes with a cozy modern country style kitchen cabinets and a good yard area overlooking the Gerald Park. Unwind here for a good chat with the kampong spirit around.
This home comprises of 4 bedrooms. Ensuite master bedroom is fully equipped with a walk-in wardrobe for the missus to enjoy dressing up. The attached ensuite master bathroom comes with a sunken bath and quality finishes. The third level has 2 good-sized bedrooms that can be converted back to 3 bedrooms. There is an ensuite bedroom on the third level.
Yes, get wow! Walk out of the house, you will be greeted with a good-sized pool as well. At the most affordable price tag, to own this exclusive cluster home within nature and the park connector in the northeast area.
On top of that, unwind and chill at the terrace, living a penthouse in a landed home.
What are there nearby? The Oval at Seletar Aerospace Park, park at Hampstead Gardens, developed by JTC and N-Parks. Round Island Route, a continuous 150-kilometer park connector that goes around Singapore. It will provide opportunities for recreational activities. With a large interlinking network of park connectors, you can easily park hop while indulging in various fun and recreational activities.
Buangkok Integrated Development, Jalan Kayu Eateries, the famous Roti Prata, Greenwich V and Seletar Mall. Good school like Rosyth School and Xingning Primary School.
Wait no more! Call Sharon Kim at 9277
Or Catherine Lee at 9367 772
for your exclusive landed home tour today.
Landed 772, your compass for landed properties.